Pandas isin function for continuous intervals. Let's say I want to construct a dummy variable that is true if a number is between 1 and 10. I can do. Is there a way to do that for a continuous interval? So, create a dummy variable that is true if a number is in a range, allowing for non-integers.
Series objects, including data frame columns, have a between method.
You could also do the same thing with cut. No real advantage if there are just two categories. But it's nice if you have multiple categories. Labels can be true and false if that is preferred, or you cannot specify the label at all, in which case the labels will contain info on the cutoff points.
This works.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.